Welcome to Present Trade's tutorial on getting to know the reference and projected profile commands in Civil Site Design version 25.1. In this video, we'll explore how this feature allows you to automate projected profiles and reference profiles in just a few steps, saving you time and effort while ensuring accuracy in your road designs. Let's get started. Open your CAD software and load your road plan. Here, we have two intersecting roads. The vertical road is alignment 1 and the horizontal road is alignment 2. Our goal is to create a reference profile for alignment 2. To do this, head over to the Roads tab and click on Reference Profile, or alternatively, go to Toolspace, then Road Strings, then Create Update Reference Profile. Once selected, a window will pop up with various settings. At the bottom left, you'll find two key options. Auto Create to generate all reference profiles in the drawing at once. Add to manually select a specific alignment for which you want to create a reference profile. Let's try Auto Create first. A settings window appears, allowing you to choose your preferences. Here, we'll set Code 1 to LEB and Code 2 to REB. We'll also check the box for projected profiles, so Civil Site Design can generate them automatically. Then choose the preferences for the default style you like. Once we click Create, the software instantly adds all the reference profiles and projected profiles to our drawing. Now, let's take a more manual approach and add a reference profile for alignment 2, step by step. Click Add, select alignment 2, and choose the code, REB in this case, then hit Add. Just like that, Civil Site Design automatically generates a reference profile for this road, detecting the range within which it applies. This range can be adjusted manually if needed. Looking at the top right, we see an option to connect a code to the main road. By default, the software selects the EB code, but you can pick any other code from the list. On the bottom left, we have Design Aids, where we can display the parent profile in a color of your choice. You can also show minimum and maximum crossfalls with customizable percentage values and colors. At the bottom right, you'll find the vertical grading editor option. Let's open it. Immediately, we see the parent profile, minimum and maximum crossfalls, and the new reference profile we created in yellow. Now, let's see how we can modify the reference profile range. The profiles are based on the default template range, but we can change this manually. From the Copy method options, we can choose to copy from Template, Elevation, or Slope and Elevation. Let's set the start to 450 and an end to 500. Then click Create Update All Reference Profiles. Just like that, the vertical grading editor updates instantly. Let's try another change. The updates apply just as smoothly. And just like with standard vertical grading, we can add IPs from the Home tab. Let's place an IP here, then adjust its location. We can also modify IP details from the Editor panel. Now let's switch over to the cross-section window. Staying in the Roads tab, click Vertical Grading window and select Cross-section window. As you can see, the cross-section updates dynamically as we modify the reference profile. What if we want to create a projected profile instead? Click on the Projected Profile button and a window will pop up. Click Add and name your group. For this tutorial, we'll use REB from the top, choose the main alignment, which in this case is alignment 2. Then, click Add Automatic and Civil Site Design will automatically detect and add all the strings without needing to select them one by one. Of course, if you prefer, you can add specific strings manually by clicking Add String and picking what you need. Before finalizing, you can also adjust the profile style and label set. Once everything is set, click Update Create Profiles, and just like that, Civil Site Design adds the projected REB profile to our profile view. It's important to note that this process doesn't modify the actual drawing. It's purely a presentation tool, making it easier to visualize and share your designs. And there you have it. A seamless way to create and edit reference and projected profiles in Civil Site Design. Whether you need automated solutions or manual control, this tool gives you flexibility and precision in your road designs. Contact Present Trade today for your free trial and start exploring these powerful features yourself. Happy designing!